Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter the page unresponsive error in Google Chrome, which looks something like this, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the solutions. The first solution is to simply exit the affected web page. All you need to do is close the tab or click on the cancel button to exit Google Chrome. The next solution is to delete cookies and cache. Go to the Google Chrome window, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history and then click on history once again, select clear browsing data. Now in this category, select all time, make sure that cache and cookies are selected and then click on clear data. The next solution will be to disable extensions in Google Chrome. Click on these three dots, go to more tools, select extensions. Then if any extension is turned on, please turn it off and make sure that all of these extensions are turned off. The next solution would be to update Google Chrome. Click on these three dots, select help, click on about Google Chrome, and that is it. It will start checking for the latest updates and the update will happen if anything is available. The next solution would be to turn off hardware acceleration. Go to Google Chrome, click on these three dots, select settings. It will need a few seconds to load the page. Select advanced, then scroll down to system. If hardware acceleration is turned on, please turn it off. The next solution would be to update your graphics card driver. Go to intel.com, search for graphics card driver at the Intel search bar at the top right corner. Download the tool and run it on your system. The last solution would be to reset Google Chrome. Go to Google Chrome, go to the settings page once again. This time under advanced, go to reset and clean up. Click on restore settings to the original defaults and select reset settings. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.